The 2025 military auto car stands as a bold testament to engineering precision and tactical design, crafted to dominate both rugged terrains and modern battlefields with unmatched authority. Its exterior tells a story of resilience, strength, and forward-thinking design, blending utility with advanced aerodynamics in a way that commands attention at first sight. From the front, the 2025 military auto car makes its presence known with a wide grille structure reinforced with durable mesh plating, designed not only for airflow but also to protect against external damage. The angular headlamp design integrates with advanced LED technology, projecting a sharp, piercing gaze that ensures maximum visibility in the harshest conditions. The muscular front bumper is elevated for increased clearance, hinting at its off-road supremacy and ability to handle steep approaches effortlessly. Moving along the sides, the silhouette of the military auto car is strikingly aggressive, defined by bold lines and armored paneling. Every contour has been engineered to reduce drag while maximizing durability. Large all-terrain wheels with reinforced rims emphasize its readiness for rugged landscapes. The wheel arches are squared and expanded, offering both style and functionality, allowing the vehicle to withstand heavy-duty suspension movements without compromise. Its side mirrors are compact yet fortified, designed to resist impacts while providing clear visibility in challenging environments. At the rear, the 2025 military auto car reinforces its commanding character. The tailgate carries a high-strength build, enhanced with integrated mounts for tactical equipment. Slim yet powerful LED taillights stretch across the rear, ensuring visibility even in the darkest operational zones. The robust bumper design continues at the back, offering protection and housing a reinforced tow hook system, making it not only visually imposing but also practically battle-ready. In terms of performance, the exterior of this machine has been designed around aerodynamic efficiency and durability. Every panel has been meticulously tested to withstand high impact, ensuring survivability under pressure. Its ground clearance and underbody protection guarantee that the vehicle can traverse rocks, mud, and sand without faltering. The overall structure balances weight distribution for improved maneuverability, making it agile despite its imposing size. Historically, the military auto car lineage traces its roots to early defense vehicles used in the late 20th century. Each generation has carried forward the principle of blending strength with adaptability. The 2025 model elevates this legacy with cutting-edge materials such as lightweight alloys and reinforced composites, creating a vehicle that is stronger yet more efficient than its predecessors. Key features of the 2025 military auto car are proudly reflected in its exterior, from advanced stealth-inspired contours that help minimize radar detection, to specialized coatings that resist environmental wear. Every element has been fine-tuned for military-grade performance. The modular exterior design allows for attachments and upgrades, meaning the vehicle can be adapted for multiple roles, whether it be transport, defense, or tactical operations. In conclusion, the 2025 military auto car is more than just a vehicle. It is a symbol of power and technological advancement. Its exterior design reflects a perfect balance of history, innovation, and rugged functionality, ensuring it is ready to meet the demands of modern defense and stand as a benchmark in the evolution of military vehicles.